Pull-ups are powerful if you do them the right way. Save this and come back stronger. Are you making this common seated cable row mistake? Watch this. Save this and come back stronger. If your lats don't burn on cable rows, you already picked the wrong handle. Lats, mid-back, upper back, and rear delts. Save this and come back stronger. If your back looks flat, you're probably skipping this. Save this and come back stronger. Your back isn't growing because you're using the same grip every time. Upper lats, lower lats, entire lats, lower lats, mid-lats, and lower lats. Save this and come back stronger. Transform your back with just a pair of dumbbells. Reverse fly. Dumbbell rear delt fly. Dumbbell row. Underhand row. Overhand row. Save this and come back. Grip trains a different part of your back. Here's what you need to know. Lats. Middle back, upper back. Save this and come back stronger. This is the perfect landmine row for maximum back growth. Save this and come back stronger. Training traps or rear delts, your elbows decide. Save this and come back stronger.